guys, in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily change alarm sound on your iPhone. So that's quite simple and interesting, but before starting the tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tutorials, and make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. Alright, so first of all you will have to open up the clock, and once you are on this page, you have to go to the alarm sections like this. Once you're on this page, you will find all the alarms that you have set up. So basically it doesn't matter that which alarm you choose, you can choose any one of them. I have got only one alarm that is set, and I will simply click on it, and on here number third, you can find an option of sound. You can simply click on it and you will be directed to this page. Here you will find a lot of sounds. For example, the default sound is been set, and click on save on the top right. Now you can see the sound is being changed to chirp. So that's how you can easily change alarm sound on your iPhone. That was quite simple. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.